Welcome to the fascinating world of mushroom cultivation. Whether you're a seasoned grower or a curious beginner, understanding the importance of substrate is key to your success. Embarking on this journey opens a door to delicious homegrown fungi that can transform your meals and elevate your culinary experiences. Beyond the kitchen, growing mushrooms offers a deeper connection with nature's intricate processes, allowing you to witness the magic of life unfolding right before your eyes. Just like plants need healthy soil to flourish, mushrooms require a suitable foundation to thrive. A substrate. This substrate acts as the bedrock for their growth, providing the necessary environment for them to develop. Choosing the right substrate is crucial for successful mushroom growing. The type of substrate you select can significantly impact the yield and health of your mushrooms. It's the food source for your fungi, providing essential nutrients and moisture. Without a well-prepared substrate, your mushrooms may struggle to grow or fail to produce at all. Think of it as the foundation upon which your mushroom empire will be built. A strong, nutrient-rich substrate sets the stage for a thriving mushroom colony. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the world of mushroom substrates, exploring different types, their benefits, and how to prepare them like a pro. From traditional methods to innovative techniques, we've got you covered. We'll cover everything from classic straw to innovative coffee grounds, empowering you to make informed choices for your fungal friends. Each type of substrate has its unique properties and advantages, and will help you navigate through them. Get ready to unlock the secrets of substrate mastery and cultivate your own bountiful harvests. With the right knowledge and preparation, you'll be well on your way to becoming a mushroom growing expert. In the simplest terms, a mushroom substrate is a material that provides nutrients and physical support for mushroom growth. This substrate can be made from a variety of materials, each offering unique benefits and challenges. Think of it as the soil in which your mushrooms will spread their mycelial network and eventually fruit. Just like plants need the right soil to grow, mushrooms need the right substrate to thrive. Mushrooms, unlike plants, cannot produce their own food through photosynthesis. Instead, they rely on breaking down organic matter to obtain their nutrients. They rely on decomposing organic matter for sustenance. This process not only feeds the mushrooms but also plays a crucial role in the ecosystem by recycling nutrients. That's where substrates come in. They provide the necessary nutrients, moisture, and structure for the mushroom mycelium to colonize and thrive. Without a suitable substrate, mushrooms would struggle to grow and produce fruiting bodies. Different mushroom species have different substrate preferences. Some prefer straw, which is easy to find and prepare, while others flourish on wood or even coffee grounds. Wood provides a long-lasting nutrient source, while coffee grounds are a great way to recycle waste. Choosing the right substrate is essential for providing the ideal growing conditions for your chosen mushroom variety. The right substrate can significantly impact the yield and health of your mushrooms. The substrate also plays a crucial role in retaining moisture, which is essential for mushroom growth. Proper moisture levels help the mycelium to spread and develop robustly. A well-prepared substrate will hold enough moisture to keep the mycelium hydrated without becoming waterlogged. This balance is key to preventing issues like mold or bacterial contamination, ensuring a healthy and productive mushroom crop. Straw, a byproduct of grain production, is a versatile and sustainable material that has been used for centuries in various agricultural practices. It's a readily available and affordable substrate option for many mushroom species, making it a popular choice among both novice and experienced cultivators. It's particularly well-suited for cultivating oyster mushrooms, which are known for their rapid growth and high yield. These mushrooms thrive on the cellulose-rich composition of straw, breaking it down efficiently to produce nutritious and delicious fungi. Benefits of straw: widely available and inexpensive. Straw is readily available from feed stores or farms, making it a budget-friendly option. Its abundance ensures that cultivators can easily source it without significant cost. Easy to prepare. Straw requires minimal processing, making it suitable for beginners. Unlike other substrates that may need extensive treatment, straw can be quickly prepared for use. Good moisture retention. Its hollow structure allows for adequate air circulation and moisture retention. This is crucial for mushroom growth, as it helps maintain the right humidity levels. Preparation: chopping. Cut the straw into 3 to 4 inch pieces for easier handling and to increase surface area for colonization. This step is essential as it facilitates better mycelium penetration. Soaking. Submerge the chopped straw in water for 12 to 24 hours to rehydrate and remove any contaminants. This process ensures that the straw is fully saturated and ready for pasteurization. Pasteurization. Heat the soaked straw to 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 to 82 degrees Celsius, for 1 to 2 hours to kill off competing organisms. This step is crucial to ensure that the straw is free from harmful bacteria and fungi that could hinder mushroom growth. Cooling and draining. Allow the pasteurized straw to cool and drain thoroughly before using. Proper cooling and draining are essential to prevent excess moisture, which can lead to mold growth. Once the straw is adequately prepared, it becomes an ideal medium for mushroom cultivation, providing a rich environment for mycelium to thrive and produce bountiful harvests. Hardwood sawdust, a byproduct of woodworking, is another excellent substrate option, particularly for species like Shiitake and lion's mane mushrooms. These mushrooms thrive on the lignin and cellulose found in hardwood. Benefits of hardwood sawdust. Hardwood sawdust provides a rich source of lignin and cellulose, essential for mushroom growth. It holds moisture well, creating a humid environment for mycelium development. Plus, utilizing sawdust reduces waste and promotes eco-friendly mushroom cultivation. Preparation. First, choose sawdust from untreated hardwood like oak, maple, or beech. Avoid softwoods like pine or cedar. Hardwood sawdust often benefits from supplementation with a nitrogen source like soybean meal or wheat bran. Add water to the sawdust mix until it reaches the desired moisture content, around 60 to 65%. Finally, sterilize the sawdust mixture in a pressure cooker or autoclave to eliminate competing organisms. Used coffee grounds, a readily available waste product, offer a surprising yet effective substrate for certain mushroom species, particularly oyster mushrooms. The coffee grounds provide a boost of nitrogen and other nutrients. Benefits of coffee grounds. Coffee shops often give away used coffee grounds for free, making it a sustainable and cost-effective option. Coffee grounds contain a good amount of nitrogen, which can benefit mushroom growth. Some mushroom varieties cultivated on coffee grounds even develop a subtle coffee flavor. Preparation. Collect used coffee grounds from a local coffee shop, ensuring they are free of additives like sugar or creamer. Pasteurize the coffee grounds by pouring boiling water over them and allowing them to cool. Then, combine the pasteurized coffee grounds with a bulking agent like straw or cardboard for better structure and drainage.